It's a highly physical and maybe scientific approach. I had my diploma thesis from special theory of relativity, so I investigated these things in deep, and I can see them as a subset of more higher universal laws, and this is continues to the higher realms and broader worldview and everything else. Also to the quantum field when we know that everything is connected with everything, and when observer is observing some event, it is very different from the moment when observer is not there. So observer is automatically alter the event, automatically affect and have effect on the event, which is not really helpful for observation. For me, in the past was a big problem that when I observed something and observed it from the other side, then I have had problem because many things were contradictory and I didn't understand it. So therefore, when someone speak something and others speak same thing from another perspective, both can be right because it's just different observation from different angles, like when five blind people touching the elephant and speaking about different feelings.
Yeah,
It's same,
yeah.
and
Hmm.
especially from the point of cognition, cognitive function. There are in psychology described four main cognitive functions, but in matter of fact, there are 20 or dozens of cognitive functions which are not very well described in scientific views, but are very well described in the Vedas, in the esoteric views, and also in some scientific approaches which are very new and from the last years. And this is a very different approach. It means that from this cognitive perspective, everyone has own view, own true, and we should pay attention to that because we cannot say that someone hears something and some others see same thing, then someone is false
Yeah,
because both are right.
yeah.
And also, I never had have had near-death experiences, but I have had thousands and mystical and spiritual experiences. For me, those were the same like near-death experiences because of my memories and because of the deepness of these experiences. And also, we need to pay attention that someone can tell that I experienced the in near-death experience, for example, the heaven. It means that hell does not exist. It is not true because someone else can have experience of hell and it can be also so profound and
Yeah.
deep. So what is important also to know that we can learn it, but main problem with enlightenment and reaching this state and other stuff is what already was mentioned that our belief system is limiting our views automatically. It means that it can be an obstacle to reaching these higher understandings or extended understanding and calmness and inner peace and present moment. But everybody is different. Therefore, nobody, no two people on this planet have same experience and have same path. Even when they can call it present moment, they will experience it very different ways. And our main task is to know ourselves, individual self, what is our own cognitive function, and find the path and books and whatever else techniques accommodate to this functionality. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
speaking about the Jungian cognitive functions, but it is just the first approach.
Mm.
So Jung is very good basement for the higher levels of knowledge and transpersonal psychology, but not enough
Mm.
itself. So he described four cognitive functions, but there are many cognitive functions and also combinations, and everybody should find own function because when someone who, for example, have visual cognitive function will learn something from auditive function, from hearing, never will reach the same level of understanding and memory and other related stuff like when he will learn it from the visualization. This is very important.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah, I experienced it, yes.
So
When you are awakened, you automatically will get these visions, insights. For example, I have no such fantasy what I can see in my parallel lives. I never imagine such events, such dialogues, such details which are there. And I don't need to fantasize about it. I just need to observe it and describe it in words. Same for higher cognitive functions. You
Yeah.
need to raise your awareness, your consciousness through techniques, and after that you will get automatically. Nikola Tesla was speaking about it.
Mm.
Frequency, vibrations, and energy levels. And what is different that when I was 16, it was on socialism in 1984, and I never heard about esoteric or something like this because of atheism, because of pure materialism during socialism. Even when I wanted to speak about such things, nobody was willing to speak with me about it. And furthermore, I would be killed if I was speaking about such thing. And I did automatically the traveling, astral traveling, without knowing what I am doing. And by this traveling, because it is connected with many other stuff, also with life contract and with help from before incarnation, but it is much to say now. And one thing, it was calling my home. I always wanted to go home, but I never knew in the past, in my youth, where is my home. So I wanted to find it, and therefore I read the sci-fi books, and I tried to travel to those planets and find my home, but I was not successful. And they came a moment when I reached the border of the universe, of the physical universe. And I found out by myself that there is the border and there is a place where we can step out from the physical universe and where starts new universes and new levels of existence with different substance, different consciousness, different views, different experiences. So not need to read any book when you're doing the practice. We are here
Yeah.
therefore for this reason because it's by design. Because in the higher realms there are no negative events and negative thinking and negative outcomes. Therefore, we have to incarnate to these levels of physicality and the reality because we have to experience negative things because in the dualism we can understand the opposite side.
Right. Hmm.